In our last video, we took a look at how to assign and how to configure a wallboard instance within the Uboss portal. In this one, we're going to take a look at how to launch the wallboard and then also customize the layout to suit our requirements. I'm in the Uboss portal now. I'm under services, under the new tab, which is where you'll find the Uboss wallboards. Click on that. We'll have all of our wallboards listed here. We're going to click on the one we want to go to. Now, there's two ways you can launch the wallboard. You can copy the wallboard URL by clicking copy here. See, it's copied, and then I can paste that into a browser and launch the wallboard. Or I can quite simply click on the launch wallboard button, and when clicked, you'll see it'll open in the new browser tab. There we go. If you've got a password set, you'll have to enter it at this point to then get access to the wallboard. Let's take a look at rearranging the layout. Now, there are multiple ways you can manipulate the widgets to suit your layout requirements. To move the widgets around, we're going to click on the heading of a widget, hold down the left mouse button, and we can drag the tile to where it needs to go. You'll see when I drag it, there are grid outlines to show where the tile can be moved to in the empty spaces, or it can be moved to the same space as any other widget we've already got here. So you see it all rearranges itself as we move along. I'm going to pop that one there. If we decide that a widget needs to be larger or smaller, we can move the mouse cursor to the corner or any edge of the tile, and the cursor will change to a resize cursor icon, and then we can drag that to increase or decrease the size. So here we got the customer service queue agents widget, and if I move the cursor into the bottom right hand corner, you see it changes. Hold down the left button the mouse, and I can drag that out to where I want to go, and you can see everything else moves around it. Now, if I can't quite see all of these headings, I can click on the right hand side here, and I can drag that out, expand it out, so I can kind of see all of the headers now as well. And the same if I want to make that smaller, because I've got a bit of white space here, click on the top or the bottom of the widget, I can drag that down and get rid of that space. And there you go, that sort of lays it out quite nicely. So using a combination of the wallboard settings, resizing and moving tiles around, I can get this pretty much customized to how I want it to appear. One thing to bear in mind is as the URL is shared, the layout will be uniform across any running instance of the wallboard once it's refreshed. So when I move this around to suit my needs, I'm going to drag this one out. That will then save, and any wallboard instance using the same URL, when that is refreshed, they will get this same layout. Now, let's say I want to add something else in here. Let's say I'm missing the time tile. How do I add that in? Well, very simply, we're going to go back to the wallboard configure page in Uboss. I'm going to go to the configuration tab. The time tile was here in the general widgets. We'll select that one. I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to find the time widget, and I'm going to rename that to be current time, and let's give that a different color. Make that yellow. This will be the head color. This one will be the body color. And then if I save this, go back to the wallboard, I'm going to hit refresh. That's all added in, and again, refresh that on any screen that's using this URL, and that will appear on the screen as well.